Hello class, my name is Andrew Finney and I'll be talking about Google Jamboard. What is the Jamboard? Google Jamboard is an application developed by Google for businesses, but it can also be used in the classroom. The Jamboard is a digital version of a whiteboard that is easy to use. Everyone with the link to your Jamboard can see what you are writing in real time, and they can also write back on the Jamboard for immediate feedback. Trends seen in Jamboard. Jamboard being used in the classroom shows a rising trend of technology being integrated in the classroom setting. The growing trend of using collaborative learning in the classroom can be seen in Jamboard because of the ways it can be used. For instance, students are able to edit the same Jamboard together in real time. One student might have a question, and his or her classmates can pitch in their ideas by writing answers to the Jamboard. In this way, students are able to learn from each other. Trends in participatory culture leads to the development of technology such as this. Originally, Jamboard was made for businesses to have collaborative meetings where employees work and participate together in creating projects. Naturally, teachers who also want to promote participatory culture among their students are using this technology too. Connected learning can also be seen when looking at the Jamboard. Jamboard allows students to work together despite being miles apart. They're able to learn from each other while doing group projects at home. Jamboard promotes connected learning. Instead of students doing projects on their own, it allows teachers to assign more group work, since it's a lot easier for students to just get on the Jamboard and work together instead of having to find the time to meet somewhere to do their projects. How would I use Jamboard as a teacher? I would use Jamboard in the classroom to help my students effectively study for an upcoming exam. For example, let's say I'm a history teacher, and on an upcoming test, I know I will question my kids on the fall of the Roman Republic. One question I could put on the Jamboard would be, what were the contributing factors that lead to the collapse of the Roman Republic? And then each student can put their own answers on the Jamboard for everyone to see. In this way, the students are able to bounce ideas off of each other and able to study together and learn and develop a greater understanding of the material. I think that the Jamboard will continue to be used in the future because of the growing trends of technology in the classroom. With leading researchers of education such as Mimi Ito promoting connected learning as a great way for students to learn material, there will be a need to use innovative technology for students to easily collaborate together. Thank you for watching and have a great day.